Thank you, thank you, thank you. I'd like to quickly do a few announcements. That is to appreciate some of our friends that have supported this event. While we get prepared for the raffle sale, I hope the tickets are being arranged now. Estaport School, Ibis Hotel, Imagine Africa, Dangote Nigeria Limited. In fact, Dangote has gone a step forward by saying, for those of you that are clapping, 10 bags of cement each before you leave here. For those of you that are clapping, 10 bags of cement each. Hey, you are not clapping. Anyways, Ladots, Paris City, Alpha Studio, you are highly appreciated. Otuba Femi Okenla, we love you. Lion Rebecca Akhomu, we love you, thank you. Janet Odeyinde, we are happy. HM Ibrahim Waidi Amadu, Pastor Oyindamala Okenla, Mr. Binga Daniel, Mrs. Bimbo Okenla, Mr. Radapo Famuyiwa, past district governor is in Giwamu, Mrs. Uka Ogbonaya, Mr. Anthony Babatola, Lion Stella Busari, Lion Erelu Adebola, Mr. Shoyombo, Mr. Orebayo Ni, Mrs. Clara Okay, Mr. Akim Idris, Mr. Sunday Okoro, Mr. Nnamdi, Mr. Michael Afopoike, Mr. Cletus Ifeanyi Kafo, Alhaji Kunle Salami, Mr. George Wakama, the Ajayis, Mr. Simon Kato, Mr. Kennedy Odusi, Mr. Lukman Omolebe, Town Planner Mrs. Yemisi Alaka, Pastor Twain Ariyenka, Mrs. Grace Shemon George, Mr. Rufemi Yobanji, Dr. Emo Sonaya, Lion Olajumoke, Same Place. Please a round of applause for that Lion Olajumoke, Same Place. God bless you, Mr. Wainka Alishe, Mr. Mukhtar Jungudu, Lion Anthony Bukas, Lion Lawrence Ejiga, Primary in Abuja, Cyprian Joseph Adedero, Alhaji Ajao Abdulganiyu, Alhaji Maruf Olasukami, Mr. Abdulaziz, and a host of others that their names, if I continue, we won't leave here. So please, can we have the raffle materials? Yes, while I'm waiting for other donations. Because I'm here. Oh, great, great. I'm coming to that table. My people on that table. Oh, where's the treasurer? This one is cash. Where's the treasurer? Please a round of applause, treasurer. I will take this treasurer. Am I your bank that helping you to keep money?
It should be standing beside you.
Yes. Should I tell you see? No, let me tell you see before I give him the money. How much?
I treat the MC already, so I should give you that privilege. I should do it time to touch
I'm doing the MC, you are doing the treasurer. Please a round of applause. We have 25,000 now from Mosedi who are here. Thank you. I'm going to go straight to Iwule Past District Governor, very old father, daddy, IPTG. Aropalaro, he's here, Please a round of applause for IPTG now. We also donate. See, members are not clapping. Wow, not to be announced, but please, a round of applause for this. This man is supposed to be resting over here. He has decided that part of the ways for him to rest is to keep donating. And Ikoyi Lions Club, congratulations. So I'm going to go to Alhaji Rufai. Alhaji Rufai, sir. Ready? Don't worry, sir. You are safe. You are safe. You are safe. Yes, sir. Wow. From Alhaji Rufai, we have 20,000 naira. Treasurer, can you take note of that? 20,000 naira. Alhaji Rufai, thank you. God bless you. You can see they are calling me. If I don't come to you, just call me. Me, I will come to you. From Lion Maru, JB, we have 20,000 naira. Please, a round of applause for that. From Lion Pride. Run back Lion Taiwo. 25,000 naira. God bless you, man. From Lion Pride. We have 20,000 from Lion Bright.
Hey. Music, please go down. If you have not bought your raffle, you won't leave this place. You must buy the raffle. You know why you must buy the raffle? Come and spy this place. Just come and spy. Come and spy. Your korokoro eye. Come and see what you will win with your korokoro eyes. So come and buy. Buy raffle. We are not taking the raffle to next year. My have you bought the raffle tickets? How many did you buy? Did you buy 10 ducats? Please, everybody should buy the raffle. Even if it is one leaflet you want to buy, it's 100 naira. For one ducat is 1,000 naira. Please, can I have? Everybody must buy. One ducat is 1,000 naira. Please, can I have some? Please, everybody must buy. One ducat is 1,000 naira. You can buy 5 pieces, it's 500 naira. One leaflet is 100 naira. And we have 10 in the ducat. You must buy.
So, Mr. Chairman, sir, it is my honor to decorate you with our district governor's pin, with the hope that you'll be encouraged to join us and be part and parcel of what we are doing. And I want to express on behalf of our club, our administration, for being the chairman of today's occasion. Thank you so much. God bless you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. A round of applause, please. I will appreciate our DCC. Thank you, our chairman, sir. Thank you so much. We'll appreciate you, and we're looking forward and no distant time to become one of us. God bless you. Now, I want to call on my IPDG. My IPDG, sir. IPDG Tokumar Kolaro, please come forward, sir. Please help us decorate our guests.
Thank you so much, sir.
In appreciation of your honoring us with your presence and with your substance, it is my pleasure to decorate you with this pin. I know that your suit is very expensive, so I'll be very careful.
Please pinch it, it's you.
It is very expensive, I know. So I'm going to use the existing hole so that
Just pinch it.
okay, I don't want to drop this thing. Please wear it with pride.
Yeah, I will.
Congratulations.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Please, my first vice, can you please come forward to help us decorate our town planner? Town planner Adejumo. Please come forward, sir.
Congratulations.
Why are you going to my concert?
Thank you so much, sir. God bless you. We must also fail to appreciate our guest speaker for today. Now a lion, Lion Abiyoye. Thank you so much, sir. We already have our team. We are going to have more in the future. Thank you. Now, not to also recognize the now a lion of our sister. Okay, we appreciate you, sir. God bless you. God bless you. I want to please come on our sister from 4B2. Boxade, ma, please can you, Boxade, please, we want to decorate you and appreciate you with our pin. Can you help me, my joint chairperson, to decorate Boxade? Thank you, ma, for attending. Thank you for your donation and your support. She has been a great friend and is
Where's the dentist? Thank you for coming. Do I really need to say anything? We just want to appreciate you. Thank you for supporting humanity. Okay, thank you. Thank you for coming.
Thank you. Okay. It's a of you to decorate her, so we better tap from that great honor.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
We appreciate your contributions to the club. We seek to continue to elevate more of this, and we trust that you can go to greater heights.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yes. DJ, calm down. Now, while I'm still waiting for those of you that have not called me up to actually give your donation, we're still selling the raffle tickets, but then we must go ahead with the raffle sales. And this first set of tickets that are picked randomly were picked by our chairman, special guests, and our speaker of the team. So please be attentive. If you hear your ticket number, you come forward, you prove it, and then 795. 795. Yes. Please round of applause. Please can you approach the gift stand? Tickets number 1444. 1444. 1324. Sorry? 1324. Please, a round of applause. People want to